What's up, guys? Coming to you with another turbo kit we just set up on this car. Gonna do a little walk around of it, show you kind of what we did to it. Brian Pickett owns this car out of Hickory, North Carolina. It's got one of our old style front end kits on it from years ago. Brian kind of lost interest in the car. It sat for a long time, and he decided to bring it down to us and get us to start doing some stuff to it again. So this is a small block Ford. Built by HED. They're over in Motorsports. It's got a Garrett 94mm turbo on it. This car had a turbo kit on it. That's why the headers are mild and the hot side is stainless. They put the turbo way up high and he couldn't get the hood on it. I think that's why he was kind of discouraged with it, because it needed a lot of tweaking. So we just decided to use the headers he already had, because he had EGTs. You see right here, he had all that stuff already piped into the headers, and we just cut off what he had, threw the rest of the turbo kit in the dumpster, and started over with a nice stainless merge. Always use the Maven turbo supports. See there, the best solution for mounting the turbos. You always want to have it supported. This turbo in particular weighs about 75 pounds. So if it's not supported, stainless gets good and hot, stuff's gonna start moving around. You can see how we laid his hot side out. He already had one wastegate, a Precision 66, and from what we've seen on setups that are gonna be making big power like this, they really need two. We've got him another, or he provided us another 66 to match. See, we got the Streetcar Fabrication billet turbo flange. We always use those if our turbo systems require a T6 or a T4 flange. Aluminum downpipe. That's pretty typical in these setups. People always say, does it melt? No, it don't melt. This is 11 gauge aluminum. It's about half the weight of stainless steel, and it never turns colors. So it's a nice solution for a race car. Got a back pressure sensor right here. This car will be running the fuel tech. It's got all the other wiring going inside the cowl right there. Fuel Tech smart coils. That's what we run on our race car. So you kind of had to get creative right here, coming around, make a break right here where you can take the hot side off. We put these innovative style travel limiters on today. Just bolted them through on the bottom. Had a tab already there. Welded them up here. Mechanical fuel pump on this car, driven off the cam. He already had this fuel cell. This Rhodes race cars, it's like a 3 or 4 gallon. It had some flanges on it already, and it was already powder coated, so just built a little protective bar right here. Made some flanges where you could bolt right on. See the other travel under there. That's basically it. I'll put some scales under this thing once we get the front back on over there. see how much it weighs, and then he's gonna come pick it up. So another turbo build under our belt.